Wild elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, with some males weighing up to 14,000 pounds. Despite their size, elephants are incredibly agile and can run at speeds of up to 25 mph. They are known for their intelligence and complex social structures, forming close-knit family groups led by the oldest female, called the matriarch. Elephants have a remarkable memory, allowing them to remember locations of water sources and recognize individuals even after years of separation. Surprisingly, they are also excellent swimmers and can use their trunks as snorkels while crossing rivers. Sadly, these majestic animals are currently facing threats from habitat loss and poaching.